Hello everybody, new subscribers, views are slowly coming back. Hey, I've got something to show you, check this one. That's how it looks before construction. And that's how it looks after the clean-up, fellas. Not too shabby. We'll clean up this side. We're going to pull off the snorkel. We're going to do it now, tonight. And make it fit. I'll get back to you. Always take it off. You know, I always seem to do these crazy builds during the middle of the night. Oh, that's when I have my genius ideas. Check it out. We're going to make it fit. Get back to you in a sec. So, we've taken the snorkel head off, busted out the surround. I thought it would have come apart, but rather than taking it apart, I just got rid of the old plastic mesh stuff in there and show you what we're about to do. Alright, use whatever bonding agent you want, glue of some kind, and attach it to your snorkel head. Let's do it. Yeah, well, I'm happy with the outcome of that, fellas. Something a bit different. The old safari snorkel head is now modified with the old Mitsubishi logo. Now listen, I've got an idea. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and say you like it. I'll give a couple of these away with your car logo. If this video gets a couple of decent views there, so any interest in this? Let's see how it looks on the car. Oh fellas, that's how it looks on the car. Sorry it's dark, it's hard to see, but looks a bit different anyway. Let me know in the comments if I should paint the emblem red. Cheers all. Have a good one.